Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can mention someone in your website projects in the Webflow web designer, like for instance, other co-editors and website designers that are working with you on the same website project to leave hints, advices, instructions, critiques or critique, etc. and mention a specific user with access to the given website project. So let us dive into this. So guys, you will need to access the Webflow web designer, the given website project, of course, you are given access to. And next, click into the comment button in the top right to post a comment here. So let us post a comment next to that text box here for the sake of this tutorial. Left click. And then guys, what you want to do is post a comment, like for example, I don't know, instructions for, and then you press add on your keyboard and then select the user from that list below that are given access to the given project here. And you will see the username will then be highlighted like an internal link so that the given user will automatically be notified of the given comment to reply to it. So click into post, and then the given user will see the notification so that he or she may post a comment here or read through your comment, reply to it, and react to it, and yeah, follow your instructions or critiques and so on and so forth. So guys, that's how you mention users in the Webflow website builder. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.